I'm Ben Vitopic, the Chair of Parliament for Asgardia, the world's first space nation. And I want to wish Asgardians all over the earth a happy Unity Day. It's another celebration of the progress we've made in being the world's first fully functioning digital democracy. And we've got a lot closer to our ambitions of having the first baby born in space and also the first permanent human space habitation for the many, not just for the few. So a happy Unity Day to all of you. If you're not an Asgardian yet, why not join and help to create a legacy for the centuries and the millennia ahead? One unity, one humanity, or as we like to say, oh ho.
Dear Guardians, it's a Unity Day, and we are all united, and that's what makes us strong. I wish us all great success as we are united in this together.
Markus von Kronbach, Head of Legal Affairs. I wish you all a happy Unity Day. It's an honor and great to serve Asgardia. Wish you a happy day.